Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix sync pausing in Google Chrome. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Chrome, and first of all we need to go to the setting. To open up the setting, we can click on these three dots and then we're going to select settings. Okay, and then go to the privacy and security, and you're going to scroll down until you find the side settings. Okay, and then you need to go to the additional content settings, and you're going to select on device site data, and make sure you allow sites to save data on your device. Okay, and then you can add sites right here. Click on add, and I recommend you to add the site, right? Accounts google.com. Okay, don't forget to click on add. Okay, and after that you're going to close your Google Chrome, and then you're going to go back to the Google Chrome. And if this tutorial is still not working on your Google Chrome, I recommend you to go to the privacy and security again, and then you can delete your browsing data such as history, cookies, cache, and more. Okay, here you just need to click on delete data like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fixing pausing problem in Google Chrome. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.